Hi, welcome to back my channel VGRLEARN. Today topic is the write a course module, write a web inner script, create a workshop plan, create a case study, write a success story, write a question and answers, create user manual, create site structure, create land page, create sales page. These all are ChatGPT prompts. Now I will tell you today. Hi, welcome to my channel, VGRLEARN channel. Today topic is ChatGPT prompts. Now I will tell you. Write a course module. It is given the course module. This is the Master AI Automation from Zero to No Code Workflow architecture, model structure, and key topics, and the prompt engineering and build your first automated workflow make.com and advanced logical errors and packing and montage and module delivery milestone. After that, I will give another command is write a webinar script. Write a webinar script. The webinar script is the three steps AI automation blueprint, duration of 45 minutes, target audience, scholar, venue, and freelancers and professionals look saved 10 plus hours in week using AI workflow goals, deliver mass values, establish high authorities, and pitch a master AI automation courses program. And the hook of introductions is this way part one and host and the need to master class you going to learn the tech stack exact three tools you need and don't need to build powerful AI system pipeline method how to turn messages unstructured input into clean contactable business output using smart prompt engineers the build blueprint a step-by-step work through real live automation workflow can set the second part is the shift the problems and this way the old way the AI automatic way this way the third part is the core content. After that I will give another command create workshop plan. This create workshop plan is the workshop plan is built in a AI automation pipeline. The duration of 19 minutes live interaction session. Target audience scholars, freelancers, small business or zero coding experience peoples. The introduction of setup in 10 minutes and 10 to 20 authentication. The automation autonomy. The 25 to 55 is the hands-on build live the 55 to over 55 testing troubles and the 115 to 75 to 150 minutes 130 is the question and next step. This way you can check detailed sessions breakdowns welcome tech checks 10 minutes and the core concept is 15 minutes and the guide build is listed 30 minutes this way, 20 minutes for testing, error proofing, and the 15 minutes of the wrap up actionable next steps. The another of the prompt is the write a success story. Write a success story. The success story how to Sahara automated hair consulting business and reclaimed 15 hours a week. The two turning point of implementation AI workflow and 15 hours saved revenue scales this way. The another prompt was the create user manual. Create user manual. The master automation is quick start manual system requirement package, no code automation platform LM my PI provided core architecture glossy step-by-step set up your first pipeline, creating new scenario, add the triggering models and add the AI intelligence and best practice maintenance. And after that, create a website structure in this prompt and give this Create website structure the is given this way. Home and this way is creating website. Capture leading instant automate client onboarding scale without hiring. This one another prompt is the create landing page. Create landing page. This is high converting landing page copy master AI automation session hero and the badge and main headlines stop doing manual boy. Work, AI run over operation 24/7 schedule of headlines, call to actions, social proof of authority strips. This way, the session at the is spending hours auditing and flood inboxing every single monitoring, triggering fire automatically. Second lead of the email arrive. This way can automate it. Please watch the videos. This videos is the informatics. The sometimes the video is longer video, prolong the long time that I don't miss it. Even don't forward and skip. If you skip this something, you miss something. If you subscribe, you should learn a master package of prompts. Otherwise, you miss it in the something knowledgeable videos and useful videos. You can subscribe and you save your money and save your time. Thanking you once again, your VGR tutorials and VGR learner.